Hi everyone. Hey, hope you guys are doing well. This week for writing, we're going to be focusing on comic strips. So, the first activity here, you see a picture of an example of a comic strip. If you notice, there's a title, there's captions, there's speech bubbles telling you what the characters are saying, there's panels. Panels are these little squares that show you step by step what's going on. Okay, there's also the illustrations here, which is a fancy word for pictures. Down on the bottom, it says, what else did you notice? So if I'm looking at this, I see that there's bold print, there's labels that show what's going on based on what the captions are saying. So down here, I'm going to say, I also noticed there are bold print and pictures that show what the caption says. If you have any other things that you want to add to it, you can. Then on the second one, this is where you guys are going to be labeling. So you can use the slide 3 as an example. Okay, you know that the top part is called the title. So when you go on here, when you click on this, you're going to click on the title. Okay, then you're going to look for captions. Which one of these shows a caption? Which one shows an illustration? Which one shows a panel? And then the speech bubble. So you'll just click on each one and then use the labeling for it. If you see that they added something else that's not on there, you can go ahead and click on this and add that to that section. Okay, next part, we're going to be creating an expert list. So an expert list means things that you know a lot about. So I'm going to give you my example. So one thing that I know a lot about is dogs. I have my dog Macy. I know a lot of things that I can do with dogs. Another thing that I know a lot about would be bunnies. I know a lot. If it changes, if the little bullets change, it's fine as long as it's there. Let's see, what else do I know a lot about? I know a lot about football and soccer. What else do I know a lot about? What do I like to do for fun? Oh, I know I like to play Super Mario. So I know a lot about that. I know a lot about computers because I use them at work all the time. I know a lot about McDonald's because I love going there. Let's see, what else do I know a lot about? A lot about the beach. In the summer, I usually like to go to the pool. Let's see, what else do I know a lot about? Not a lot about pizza. I've made pizza at home. And if I had more things, I can add to it. So I'm going to give you time after this video for you to go ahead and you just click on student work and you just add it. If your bullets change like mine did while I was typing, it's fine. If you want to add more things or if you can't come up with a lot of things, you don't have to fill them all up as long as you have about 4 to 5 examples. Okay. Once you create your expert list, you're going to go on to your next one. Then it says choose 2 topics from your expert list that you know the most about. So let me think, let me go back to my list. Let's see. I said dogs, bunnies, football, soccer, Super Mario. So I know a lot about dogs. So dogs is going to be my first one. So my first topic is going to be dogs. Oops, not digs, dogs. Let me go back. Let's see, what should I do as my second one? What do I do a lot? With the beach, I only go when it's summer or when it's hot, so I can't really do the beach. I mean, I could do it, or I use computers all the time. So let me click on, I think computers should be my topic number 2. So computers. So now I'm going to write down 4 things, at least 4 things that I know about dogs. If I want to write more, I can. So one thing I know about dogs is you have to walk because they have so much energy. Let's see what else. You have to potty train them. Potty train them. You can show them tricks. Not show, teach them tricks. Let's see what else can you do with dogs. I now have to take my dog to the vet to get shots. Yeah, she doesn't like them, but she needs them. See what else. I want to add one more to have at least 5 things. Oh, I know my dog loves to take naps. So I think most dogs like. So let's see, take naps. Okay, so where it says teach them tricks, I'm gonna be a little bit more specific. I'm gonna add, because teach them how to sit, fetch. Let's see, what else can you teach them? How to lay. Right, topic number 2, computers. So one thing I know a lot about computers is you can email people or send messages. What else can you do with computers? Ooh, you can create PowerPoints. Kind of like this one that I created for you guys. Let's see, you can record videos, post them online too. I know a lot of you guys have YouTube channels or you watch somebody on YouTube. Let's see, what else can you do with computers? You can watch movies. You can, let's see, what else? What else do I usually do with computers? Ooh, right now, since I can't really go and visit you guys or go and see the other teachers and my friends, we can video chat on here. So video chat. Okay. So then after the video, once again, you guys would choose 2 of your topics from your expert list that you know a lot about. Okay, and then give me some examples of those. It's really important to think about what it is that you're going to be explaining on that topic, because you're going to be needing it for this next part. Okay, this is the fun part. This part, you will get to choose the one that you have the most about or one that you're most interested. So I have dogs and computers. Well, computers, I kind of need them for work, but dogs, I feel like I love dogs more because my dog Mace is with me all the time. So I think my topic is going to be on dogs. So on here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose and use all of these things that I wrote about her, and I'm going to be putting them on here. So my first one is going to be my title. So it's going to be dogs. The next one, I can say, well, maybe, let me see. I actually don't want to use this box. Let's see if we can take this one. Okay, I'm going to put, there are many things you can do with dogs. Okay, and these 2 are going to be kind of connected. I'm going to be putting a picture here and another picture here of both things. Okay, my next one, what did I say? You can teach them how to catch. You can teach dogs how to catch. Notice how it's turning into more of a nonfiction. It's giving you information about your topic. You're not telling me things that you do with your dog or things that you're doing with the topic that you chose. You're doing things, or you're telling us things about your topic. So you can teach dogs how to catch. Another one of the things I said is you can teach, you can teach dogs how to sit and lay down. Let's see. One thing that I did notice on there that I wrote is that you need to teach them how to get potty trained. You need to potty train them. And here I'm going to put first step on how to potty train them. And then on this one, I'm going to put second step. When they're little, they usually like to be potty trained, or it's usually good to potty train them at home, to have like those little diaper pads around the house so that you're not peeing on carpets and your mom or dad don't get mad. Okay? And then once they kind of have that down, I learned that it's good to teach them to pee outside also, because you can't have them pee and use the restroom outside all the time, because the house is going to start being all stinky. But first step and second step, I mentioned how you need to take them to the vet. You need to take the dog to the vet to get his shots. Let's see, what was the other thing that I put? So I said walk them is going to be part of my first one right here. Dogs like walking them. There we go. Okay, making sure I have it. Potty training them, I put sit and fetch. You can take him to the shop. Oh, taking naps. You can take naps with your dog. And then the last thing, see, I kind of want to share like my feeling or how I feel about them. So I'm going to put dogs are the best pets ever. Of course, this is my opinion. Some people might think cats are the best. It's okay. Okay. Once I have this done, then now comes the fun part. You can go onto google.com and you can copy and paste pictures that show what it is that you're doing. So the first one, I'm going to go to google.com. I'm going to type in dog clip art. Clip art just means it's going to be different pictures about dogs. So we're going to click on the images. My first one, I kind of like this dog. So we're going to click on that. We're going to copy the picture. And then we're going to click on this and paste it. So it came out over here, but it's okay. We can just move it. Just going to, here's my little doggy. Then this one of the things we said was walking a dog. So let's see. Oop, this one's perfect. Here's one that I can type in or plug in. So here's the first one with the leash. And then I'm going to find another one where they're actually walking the dog. Do I see one? Not really. So I'm going to click on walking dog, walking my dog clip art. Ooh, here's a couple. So I actually like this one. He looks very happy. So we're going to copy the image. We're going to go back and we're going to paste it. And because it's big, we're going to make it small and kind of shrink it a little bit and stick it there. Okay. If it's kind of outside, then we can just there. And you're going to be doing the same thing for all of them. If you're having a hard time going to Google and clipping on them, you can always make it on a piece of paper and then just upload your picture. So you would take it and then you would send it to your computer. So I did that already. Now I'm going to click on images. Okay, upload from your computer. Here's my comic strip. And then I just make it bigger. Okay. Make sure that when you're working on this, if you're uploading it, make sure it's a clear picture and you can kind of see everything that's there. Okay. If you have any questions on any of these steps, maybe something was kind of confusing, you can go ahead and send me a message and I will gladly help you, or if you need me to call you, that's fine also. I hope you guys are doing great and I hope this activity is fun for you guys. Have a great day.